Hey there everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about transforming small apartments into stylish and functional spaces. Living in a cozy apartment doesn't mean you have to compromise on style and comfort. With some clever ideas and space saving hacks, you can make your small apartment feel like a true sweet home. Furniture with dual purposes is very important in these type of apartments. Choose furniture pieces that serves more than one function. For example, a sofa with built-in storage or a coffee table that can be used as a dining table too. These multifunctional pieces help you to make the most of your space. Wall mounted storage is very essential. Utilize your wall space effectively with wall mounted shelves, racks, and hooks. They are perfect for displaying decor, storing books, or hanging coats and bags without taking up the valuable floor space. Folding furniture is very important as well. Invest in folding or collapsible furniture like foldable chairs and tables. They can be easily tucked away when not in use, giving you more room to move around. Mirrors for illusion. Mirrors are the small apartment's best friend. They create an illusion of space and reflect natural light, making the room feel brighter and more open. Consider adding a large mirror to your living room or bedroom. Light colored palette. Opt for light and neutral colors on your walls, furniture, and decor. Light hues visually expand the space and make it feel airy. You can add pops of color through accessories to keep things interesting. Sheer curtains. Replace heavy drapes with sheer curtains to let the more natural light in. Sheer curtains also create a sense of privacy while maintaining a light and breezy atmosphere. Under bed storage is very important. Make use of the space under your bed by using storage containers or drawers to keep extra linens, clothing, or seasonal items neatly tucked away. Vertical storages in the kitchen. Install floating shelves or magnetic strips to store kitchen essentials like spices, utensils, and cookware. This frees up counter space and keeps everything within the reach. Creative closet organization is essential. Maximize your closet space by using hanging organizers, shoe racks, store bins. You can also install a tension drawer to create extra hanging space for your clothes. Open shelving room divider. If you need to create distinct zones within your small apartment, consider using open shelving as a stylish room divider. This not only separates areas but also provides extra storage and display space. Rugs for definition. Use rugs to define different areas in an open concept space. They add warmth and texture while visually separating the living room, dining area, and workspace. Curtains as temporary walls. You in studio apartments use curtains to create temporary walls and portions for partition. This allows you to have some privacy in the sleeping area while still maintaining an open feel. I hope you found this small apartment home decor ideas helpful and inspiring. Remember, a small space can be just stylish and comfortable as larger one with a little creativity and smart planning. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget it to give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you would never miss any of our upcoming content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Happy decorating your apartment.